In this video, I'm going to show you how to check MoneyGram transfer status. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to either their official website and click on track a transfer up here, or you can just go to Google and type in MoneyGram track transfer, and you can click on this button over here, the first one, which is going to take you to their track a transfer page, okay? So again, you're going to get the exact same page over here. Then you have three options. You want to click on the first tab, which is called track, and then in here, you want to put in two things. The first one is going to be your reference number. So of course, that's going to be the one on your receipt or confirmation email. So just find your receipt and you're going to have your reference number on here, or just go to your email inbox and find your confirmation email from MoneyGram. And then on there, you'll see your reference number. You can just type it in here, and that's the first step done. The second one is going to be the sender's last name. So of course, you want to put in the sender's last name over here as well. And of course, whenever you do that, click on track transfer and you'll be able to check your MoneyGram transfer status. That way, you'll see how it's going, where it currently is, how it's going to be processed, and when, and stuff like that. Okay, so all the info that they have, you'll be able to see it over here about your transfer. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.